I gotta get a picture of this. I've never seen anything like this in my whole life. And okay, here's number 2. The original count was like 2 or 3, and you can see they're really way up high. So they know. I've seen flies do this where they know something's up. See how they're flying high because they're trying to avoid things. Okay. My basil plants. These were the stunted plants because the larger growth was like blocking them off. But they look good. The color green is fantastic. Camera's off.